Okay, I want us to look at this question together. We want to show that this expression on top here is not equivalent to this symbol, this biconditional. Now, before we start, you notice something, that there's a biconditional. So let me tell you the meaning of a biconditional. So when they give you a biconditional, something like this, the meaning of this one is that the first letter implies the second letter, and the second letter implies the first letter. So if I can bring this one out, then I'm good to go. Do you understand? So now let's start. So you notice that this first expression and this one are the same thing. So we can remove this one. And this second expression and this one are the same thing. You can remove this one. So I'm left with this expression. Can you see? Then I will do something. I'm going to open a very big bracket. Then I'll put negation outside. So what I want to do is that I want to remove negation out of everything. Do you understand? So if I remove negation, let me get the word. I want to remove, that's what I'm doing. I want to remove negation from everything. So if I remove negation from this letter, it will remain P. If I remove negation from and, it will be O. And if I remove negation from Q, it will be not Q. Do you understand? So that one is clear. I hope that one is clear to you. Let me explain. If you want to know, see what you do. Just bring this thing back. This negation, bring it back inside. So watch. Negation of P, see it. So when negation comes to O, it will become and. When negation comes to not Q, this negation will cancel this negation. You have to Q back. Do you understand? Let me say it again. This negation, when it comes here, it will be not P. This negation, when it comes to O, it will become and. This negation, when it comes to this one, it will cancel the negation to give you Q. So I think it's clear now. So if I remove negation from O, what will I get? I will get and, Abi. Correct. If I remove negation from P, what will I have? Not P. If I remove negation from and, what will I have? O. If I remove negation from not Q, what will I have? Q. I think it's clear now. Alright. Now, let me now tell you something. I can simply rearrange this thing. How? P or not Q. I can write it as not Q or P. Do you understand? Because O is commutative. And this one, I can leave it like that. But funny enough, there is one thing about this thing I want to write down now. Let me show you. Watch. In mathematics, when you say not Q or P, you are saying the first letter implies the second letter. That's what you mean. Do you understand? Okay, I think it's clear now. Then not P or Q means the first letter implies the second letter. So when you see implication, it means that you will negate the first letter or the second letter, you write it. Okay, I think it's clear. So you remember that there's a big bracket here. Sorry, there's a big bracket here, see, and there's negation outside. Do you see that? All right. Now do you remember what this thing represents? Let me bring the paper back so you will see it. Whenever you see P implies Q and Q implies P, it means biconditional. So that means I can remove this thing inside. I can remove this thing now, right? And write negation, right? Then biconditional P, then I'll do like this. Do you understand? So it means that in fact, this question is not equivalent to this because I'm negating this. Do you understand? But if it was equivalent, or if it is equivalent, then they will be the same. But because it's not equivalent, that's why it's negating this biconditional. And that's all, okay? Thank you.